So if you face this issue, where we say you know if you export your video when you don't edit for CapCut, for this video I will show you how to do them. Yeah, so make I not waste on time. Let's dive right in. As you see like this now, you know the work. I won't try to export this video, you know the work. So the first thing now to just enter your Play Store, then you go search for temp mail the way you see like this now. Then you go install them. Then the next thing you click on open. Then this thing the way you see like this now you will copy. After you don't copy this email finish like this now, then you come head over to your browser. You go search for CapCut sign up. Then when you don't search and finish like this now, then you will click on now. Then you can show you this interface. The reason why they go through this process now because you know if you create account inside the main app, now inside web, now inside the Chrome or any browser we they use, now if you take create account. So that's why they go through this process. So now if you don't enter this interface, this side with the right email, enter email. Now that side now you go take copy that email when you copy from inside temp mail, then you go paste them for here. After you don't paste and finish now, you go click on continue. Then you create your password. Then click when you don't create your password, then you can sign up. See, but just fill up these details. When is your birthday? Fill them up. Then click on next. So now they don't send code enter inside that temp mail application. Then you go enter inside your temp mail. Then go inside with the right inbox. When you click on and finish, then you can see a message where you don't send code. Then you go click on and see but they don't send code enter inside the temp mail. Then you go copy them. Then you will paste the code for here. So after you don't paste that code you get from temp mail, then you will see you have signed up. So automatically you don't create account already. So the next thing now to enter inside your CapCut app, then go back, then click on this me. Then this sign in with email, this side now you go click on sign in with email. When you don't click on and finish, then you can paste the email where you get from temp mail and the password that you create. So you can click on continue. So you see sign in successful. So you need your pass like this. Now the next thing now to export your video. You see the thing don't allow you fit export your video. So like you don't solve that issue like this. So like this now if you use CapCut PRO for free, if you use CapCut, everything for inside CapCut for free. If you find the information for this video helpful, don't forget to save this video for later. Share this information so that other people too feel learn. Like the video. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will drop a lot of videos there. So you know your pass like this, my brother. Peace out.